Hi developers. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 3 programming languages to learn in 2022. Whether you are a fresher who is going to start your career or the experienced software developer who is going to looking for new job opportunities, this video is for you. I picked this result based on Google Trends and the result of various surveys and studies. Also, I have taken this decision based on the features provided by the programming language and the demand in the industry and how much the language is easy to learn. The third place I'm giving to Java. We all know Java is very popular and very powerful language. Nowadays, Java is mainly used to develop enterprise level applications, middleware applications, and microservices. Lot of microservices it's developed by using Spring Boot. Java is widely used by lot of tech companies around the world to build their large scale applications. If you go to indeed.com, if you type Java developer, you will find almost 99,000 of pages job openings. Also, according to indeed.com, the average salary of Java developer in United States is 100,000 US dollar per year. If you are interested in software development and you want to build enterprise application, then Java is the best language for you. Also, Java has a huge community support. If you stuck anywhere, then you can get lot of help from the community. The second language in that list is JavaScript. Nowadays, JavaScript is very popular because JavaScript is a class cross-platform programming language, which means by using JavaScript, we can develop web applications, mobile applications, even desktop applications. Also, by using React Native, Quasar framework, and native script, we can develop native mobile applications. Also, by using Node.js, we can develop backend, that is web servers. Also, JavaScript is mostly used in gaming industry. We can develop the game by using JavaScript. Okay. In 1995, the JavaScript is introduced by Netscape Navigator. Okay. Then that time there is only Internet Explorer and Safari, Mozilla browsers are there. In 2010, Angular, uh, Google came up with the new browser called Chrome. So Chrome is running in V8 engine. Then Google made that V8 engine as a open source. The Node.js developer used that V8 engine and they have created the Node.js. Because of that Node.js, Node.js can access the production file systems. Also, it can access the database. By using these features, Node.js is mainly used in backend nowadays. Before 2010, if you want to develop frontend, we will use JavaScript. For backend, we use Python or we may use Java. But in recent days, we don't have to bother about the middleware. The developer who knows only JavaScript, he can develop front end, he can develop backend, even he can develop mobile application. So that's why only the JavaScript developer can be considered as a full stack developer. Then after 2010, lot of JavaScript framework came like Angular, React, and Vue.js. So these are the three main JavaScript frameworks available today. Angular and Vue.js are frameworks. React is called as library. Most of the people nowadays like Vue.js. It got almost 193K stars because the size is very less. When compared to Angular, it is hardly very less. Angular is 143 KB, but Vue.js is only 23 KB. Because of less size, it is very fast and Vue.js is very easy to learn. And the performance wise, React and Vue.js is very good because it both use virtual DOM. And most of the companies are using these three frameworks. So like Netflix, Uber, BBC using React, and Google, YouTube, PayPal is using Angular, and Alibaba, Adobe, and GitLab is using Vue.js. So if you want to develop web application, web development, if you are interested in web development, you want to create class platform mobile applications, then you can go. So by using JavaScript, we can develop mobile application also. Quasar framework is very popular nowadays. By using Quasar framework, you can develop web application, you can develop mobile application, even you can develop desktop application. For that, Ionic, Cordova, so Electron, those kind of libraries are very helpful. If you go to indeed.com, if you type JavaScript developer, you can find almost 90,000 pages of job openings. Also, the average annual salary for Java developer in US is 111 US dollars. The first place goes to Python. Python is very, very popular nowadays because Python is used in lot of latest development and technologies. Like Python is widely used in robotics projects. It uses Raspberry Pi for the robotics development, and it is most popularly used in for artificial intelligence, and Python is most popular for machine learnings. Python provides lot of inbuilt libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, etc. Also, Python is widely used in data science projects. Python is very beginner friendly. Developers very happy with the Python, and even kids can learn the Python language. It is very simple and number of lines to write in Python is very less. If you go to indeed.com, if you search for Python developer, you will get almost 80,000 job openings, 80,000 pages job openings, and almost 111,000 US dollars is the average salary of Python developer in the US. If you summarize everything, so all these three languages are very popular. It also depends on where you want domain. Okay, especially if you want to develop microservices, you can go with Java and Spring Boot. If you want to develop mobile application and web development, you can go with JavaScript. But if you are interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning, you can go for Python. I have created a lot of the videos on Java and JavaScript. Upcoming weeks, I'm going to start the Python series. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more technical videos. Bye.